I'm doing a cinematic photo.
Oh, smart.
Previously on 2 Up Travel's Suzuki Adventure, we tackled the mountain, tried to kill our GoPro, visited Lake Mogra, saw Priscilla, Queen of the Desert, and arrived in Rathdowney. Good morning everyone, welcome back to 2 Up Travels. We are on another trip on Susie bike, the Lions Road. And the Lions Road links the town of Rathdowney and comes out on the Kyogle Road, I think.
A few fun facts. Lions Road hooks onto Running Creek Road, created as a shortcut to Kyogle by the New South Wales Lions Club, which Queenslanders get the benefit of. And it's very scenic and you can camp up here. Running Creek. It should be Stunning Creek, not Running Creek. Stunning Creek Road. Brakes on bends, not a good combination. Let's climb out of Queensland, Susie. Up and out of Queensland.
Border Ranges National Park and New South Wales.
Does that mean it's now not 12 o'clock, it's 1 o'clock? Daylight saving still just colder in New South Wales, isn't it? Stop for a leg stretch.
Actually, there's a whole signboard back there about the inspiration of the Lions Road.
Well, In case you haven't noticed, this bike is not sort of geared up for going off the road and just parking anywhere.
Just off the road. This bike's used to going on dirt roads. It's not quite as good as the Ox, but it's done its fair share.
No, you want it to go off the road. You want it to go off the road, so we can look at a sign, and that's when events happen. Down there. Hop off.
Oh, I can't. I'm stuck.
Stop. Oh. Ah. Ta-da. What's going on that?
Going good? We haven't been going for 5 hours. We've been going for 4 hours.
4 hours, yeah.
And we've just crossed over the border.
Oh, the cord might have fallen out when you unzipped me. No, saved.
When you chucked a hissy fit.
You bloody
chucked a
ripped
hissy
open everything, and it was just sitting
You need
right
to
on
go to
top
anger
where I
management
put it.
classes.
Where I put it.
Just to-
Yeah, see what you made me do? Slide the thing up instead of down. You need one?
No, have a look. You need a battery after your little adventure?
Oh, you poor camera. Bike's going really good. Looking real good. Got the Tenere seat cover that Sue made on back to front, and it's doing the trick quite nicely.
Babe, your dead sheep on the seat's pretty comfy.
Oh, how nice is it? I've already talked it up. That's in reverse.
And it is, it's made for the Ox, but Susie Bike's borrowing it. Pretty good. Now we go down the mountain.
Brisk Public School, Richmond River. Into the school zone, no speed limit applies. This is the bridge I'll fix it. Must have been bad before they got to it. It's pretty ordinary now. Tai Chi every Monday. That seemed to take a while. And it was a bit rugged. Poor old road. Lyons Road, done and dusted.